Hello friends, I Sarita Sharma from Holkar Science College. Today we are creating JSP for handling the data inside the database. Here, specially, we are learning how to list records in a database table using JSP and JSTL. We have learned what is JSP in the previous lecture, as well as also we have learned JSTL, JSP Standard Tag Library in the previous lecture. In this lecture, we are using that two part. For handling database on JSP, there are some steps. In the first step, we are creating the database. This data here we are creating the database in MySQL. Suppose we have a table named users in a MySQL database called MyDB with the following fields. We will execute the following script to create the database, the table and insert some sample data. First, create the database. For creating the database, we are writing on the MySQL screen, create database MyDB. The name of database is MyDB here. Now we are creating table. Create table users. The name of the table is users. Inside this table, we are creating some field ID. VR constraint is not null and auto increment. Then name, that is default null. Then email, that is also the default null. Then profession, that is also default null. And ID is created as primary key. Then we are applying what engine we are using. InnoDB auto increment is assigned as 3 and default character set is assigned as Latin 1. Now we are inserting some records inside the table with the help of this query. Insert into users name, email, profession, values. In the first field, we are assigning peter@gmail.com, programmer. Then in the second row, we are assigning tom@hotmail.com, and profession as developer. Then same@yahoo.com, and its profession as consultant, and so on. Now the second step is code to connect to the database. We have created the table and database inside the MySQL. Now with the help of this database, we are capturing the data of database on a JSP page. Now what is the step to connect to the database? Use the SQL : set data source. It is JSTL part. We know that SQL is a part of JSTL. This tag is used to create a data source to our database like this: SQL : set data source, where equals to myds. Then driver is com.mysql jdbc.driver. This is the name of the driver. Then URL jdbc : mysql / localhost 3306, and the name of the database is MyDB, and the username is root, and its password is secret. Now in the third step, we are writing the code to query the records. For this, we will use SQL : query tag of JSTL part. SQL query, where equals to list users, data source equal to $myds. From myds, we will capture the name of the database, its URL, its username, and its password. Then we are writing the query: select star from users. Users is the name of the table. Then we are closing it. In the fourth step, we will write the code to display the records. For this, we will use C for each tag and C : out tag. C : for each tag to iterate. It means we know that in the table there are more than one record. Therefore, we need to use loop. Therefore, for using loop statement, we will use for each loop here. And outtake to print the value of the corresponding column. The complete syntax will be C column for each var equals to user, items equal to dollar list users dot rows, then C out value equal to username, then user dot email, then user dot profession. It means it will display the complete table of the complete data of the table. Now in the fifth step, the complete code of JSP, whatever we have created in the 1, 2, 3 and 4 step, we will completely combine it in the fifth step. In body part, firstly we are assigning set data source with database name, driver name, username, password. Then we are using query select star from users. It means we are capturing the data from users table. In the next step, we will assign the data of the table in our own table created on the HTML part. Then if we capture the data, now this is the time to test the application. This is the result of the last file, list user.jsp execution. List of user, here we get the table ID with column name ID, name, email and profession. The complete detail which was signed in the database, it will be displayed on this JSP page. This was the database and table creation on JSP page, how we can capture the data of the table on a JSP page. Okay, thank you.